That's pretty good. Actually, the paint's in pretty good shape, all things considered underneath. So I've also seen an interesting rail delete. But I don't know, I'm not sure I like the way the car looks with the top rails off. So, but this is an opportunity to clean as well. So I just wanted to point it out that these just lift off. So I would take this opportunity to do it and clean it. I'm going to take the other rail off, and then I'm going to show you masking off the rest and getting the rest ready and prepped. It was a little dark in the garage, so I wanted to make sure you get a good before and after. Now the car's been washed, so it's clean, but you can definitely see where it's fading. Now, and also things like that. You can see where when I've polished and waxed it, I didn't do a good job in cutting that edge. You can see plastic is just kind of turning gray. Really good example here, really, really gray. The harder plastics are a little bit better and still dark, but you can definitely see the fade difference here, especially as you get down through it. And if you get a little bit of overspin when you're polishing like I did on the other side, definitely can make a difference. As you can see, huge difference between the two. So I wanted to make sure we had a really good clean kind of before and after so we know what we're looking at. And so that makes sense. You can see a little bit of polish and wax overspray through here, or overspin, excuse me. So car looks good. It can look better, which is why I'm doing this.